Hello everyone, today we are discussing an important update. The circular number 25108-2025 GST issued by CBIC. This circular gives clarifications on how secondary or post-sale discounts are treated under GST. Let's go through each issue one by one along with the clarifications. Let's begin with issue number 1. The question is whether the full input tax credit is available to the recipient of supply when the recipient makes discounted payments to the supplier of goods on account of financial or commercial credit notes issued by the said supplier. And here is the clarification. As per Section 16 of the CGST Act, a registered person can take credit of input tax charged on supplies used in the course of business. When a supplier issues a financial or commercial credit note, he cannot reduce his original tax liability. That means the taxable value and the tax charged remain unchanged. Therefore, the recipient does not need to reverse any part of the input tax credit because the original transaction value and tax liability are not reduced. Now let's move to issue number 2. The question is whether a post-sale discount offered by a manufacturer to its dealer or distributor would be treated as a consideration paid by the manufacturer for the dealer's supply of the same goods to the end customer as a monetary value of the inducement. The clarification says where there is no agreement between the manufacturer and the end customer, there are two separate sales, one from manufacturer to dealer and the other from dealer to customer. In such cases, the discount is only a reduction in price and not an inducement. But where the manufacturer has an agreement with the end customer for a discounted price, the manufacturer may issue credit notes to the dealer so that the customer gets the benefit. In this situation, the post-sale discount is considered part of the overall consideration because it works as an inducement for the dealer to sell at the agreed discounted rate. Finally, let's take issue number 3. The question is whether a post-sale discount extended by the manufacturer to the dealer can be treated as a consideration in lieu of activities performed to promote the sale of the goods. The clarification is, if a dealer receives a discount and promotes sales, it is essentially helping him sell the goods he owns and not a service to the manufacturer. So in such cases, the discount is not treated as consideration for any service. However, if the dealer undertakes specific promotional activities like advertising, co-branding, exhibitions, or customer support, and these are clearly agreed upon with defined payment terms, then it will be treated as a separate supply of service and GST will be applicable. With that, we have covered all 3 issues and clarifications under circular number 25108-2025 GST. These clarifications bring much needed clarity on how post-sale discounts are to be treated under GST. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.